Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Element Messenger notifications not working step by step. If you're not receiving message alerts, the issue is usually caused by your notification settings, device permissions, or an outdated version of the app. So let's get started. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Open a website or another online app to confirm your connection is working properly, since Element Messenger needs internet access to receive new messages and notifications. Next, open Element Messenger and check your notification settings. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and make sure notifications are enabled for direct messages, rooms, and mentions according to your preferences. Now check your device's system notification settings. On Android or iPhone, open the device settings, find Element Messenger, and confirm that notifications are allowed. On desktop, make sure your operating system hasn't blocked notifications for the app. If notifications still aren't working, update Element Messenger to the latest version from the official website or your device's app store. Also, restart the app or reboot your device to clear temporary issues that may be preventing notifications from appearing. Finally, review the notification settings for individual rooms or chats. If a conversation has been muted, you won't receive alerts until notifications are enabled again. After making changes, send yourself a test message or ask a friend to send one to confirm everything is working correctly, and that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Element Messenger notifications not working and ensure you never miss important messages. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.